Hi guys, come with me as I'm going to do a pampering session here at Therapy Beauty Lounge. So located lang siya here guys sa Door A, Alpha 11 Building, Rizal Extension Street, Davao City. So from there, Claveria guys, walk lang mo gamay diri sa Rizal Extension and then you can find Therapy Beauty Lounge here. So tara na guys, let's go!
Ma'am, ano po yung gusto mo i-avail na services?
Hair color and facial and also foot spa.
Food spa. Sure. So, yung first natin gawin is hair color or yung facial?
Um, Sige, hair color.
Hair color. Okay. This way, ma'am. Okay. So, I will leave you to our hairdresser. Sa Ruby.
Currently, guys, is ginatrima ng akong hair because I'll be having my hair color first while I'm having my foot spa. So, relaxing lang siya, guys. It's a pampering day for me. One thing that I also love to have my pampering session here, guys, is they are very welcoming, especially kung mag-enter ka sa ilang salon. They would always greet and then they would also offer kung sa imong gusto na drinks. And they are so accommodating and very hospitable. So that's why. I hope you can also experience this one. And later, ipakita na ko ang experience sa other services nila and my hair color. So let's go. Currently, guys, si Josh is also doing his foot spa. So ako, I'm here. Nagbabad sa ako ang hair color and I'm so excited for my new hair color. Kaya it's been a long time no kay sige magutag laag. So one thing na actually ganahan ako sa ako ang hair color now is dili siya amoy chemical guys. And I figure out na organic day ang ilahang ginagamit na product. So ganahan kay ko wala siya amoy. So sensitive kay kog ilong but now I am fine, I'm okay. Wala gyud ko'y maamoy na any kanang harmful na chemical. So, tapos na pod ko babad sa konti. So, it's Josh's turn now. So, yun. So, now I'm just waiting for my hair color to adapt to my hair. Excited kayo kapakita sa inyo. Done na akong hair. Thank you, Ma'am Ruby.
Welcome! Welcome, ma'am! Balik kayo!
Yeah. Very K-pop idol na kaya akong hair, guys. And I love my hair colors. Hey guys, since I'm done with my hair, so mo na rin ako ang new hair color. I'm so loving it. Tapos right now, I'm having my second session, which is the foot spa. And then Josh is just enjoying the show.
Na nasa spa, so lami sa paminaw, gaan sa feeding.
First time actually na mo ni Josh mag-try og foot spa guys. And at first, actually, we thought na gilok siya pero dili man di. Okay lang siya, di ba dear? Yeah. Yun siya goods done, relaxing and maybe you can't hear him kay wala siya mic. Pero goods daw and relaxing. So, man na siya actually. So, ako na lang. So, right now, nag-scrub pa si ma'am sa akong tiil. The next step na is the scrub. Alam mo, isa feeling, uy. Hindi na ako matulog, guys. Ayan na, guys. So, done nag-wash ang aking feet. So, si ma'am is ginabutangan niya og cream ang ako ang tiil. And at the same time, she massages my feet. And grabe ka relaxing, guys. So, this is actually the final step of the foot spa. Hi guys, so I am now done with my facial. So ang ginawa sa aking face is diamond peel. So look how glowy my skin is. Wala ni siya anything na makeup right now after facial. So yun, and then also mo ni ako ang hair today. So, three services ang ako ang avail. First is the hair color. And next is foot spa. And then finally, ang facial nila, which is diamond peel. So, I hope guys you can visit their salon. And actually, nice kaayo din and highly recommend kayo na ko sila ang ilahang services. One thing po na ganahan ako sa ilaha diri guys is aside sa very welcoming ang ilahang staff, they always make sure na kung okay lang baka, and then they offer tea and coffee and water. So very ano kay kadinhi, queen and king ang imuhang ang ilahang service sa imuha. So thank you kayo Therapy Beauty Lounge. So yun, kami ni Dear actually. So, what can you say about therapy?
Relaxing. Yes, relaxing and ang spa sa TL is very nice yun siya and then the service nila is so amazing. Definitely come back.
Okay, so guys, na may mga perspective na buhaton sa next na pod na comeback na mo here. So thank you again for watching and we'll see you again on our next video. Bye!
Bye!